Oakley, leave it. So, Oakley's out here with me, and the turkeys aren't too happy about it. I think I saw one of them try to go and peck at her tail because she was laying close to the door. And now the mailman came by, so Oakley barked at them, and the turkeys got all offended. Oakley, come here. So yeah, I got it rearranged yesterday. Got some hay put into her kennel for her. Oakley. And looks like they are digging up the tree root. I think they found some grubs, so they're been excited, but they're like making a pit there. Chickens. Oakley, leave it. Come on. And I saw these turkeys being mean to Pillar. I have gotten some of the maybe wild vine that grows here and gave it to all the chickens and brought some over for the turkeys and Pillar. And Pillar tried to take a bite and the turkey came and pecked her head. It's like that was rude and uncalled for. So we got her some of her own. And it's an ordeal trying to be able to get it to her, not everybody else. I mean, they had plenty, but every time I tried to give her any, they came for her. So this poor little girl was turned into a lady, started laying her eggs, all alone, no other hens to help tell her about it. Now she's got 2 turkeys that are picking on her, and she always thought she was a turkey. And they're like, nah, you're doing shenanigans with that rooster now. You're definitely a chicken. You stay away from us. She's like, but I'm a turkey, y'all. See, they're all pecking at her. Poor thing. I need to get her some sisters. She's like, I thought I was a turkey. Can I come back and peck too? Poor girl. Looks neat. I don't have an egg from her yet. I don't think. Not that I can see. But hopefully she likes the hay. It was funny when I brought the hay out here, because she was actually in the cage at the time. Oakley? What do you see? She was actually in the cage, but when I went in there, she came to meet me at the door, like, to say hi. So I put her hay in the cage. See some of the back, see some of the front. And Oakley, leave it. Are you whining at the chickens? What do you see? I put the hay in there. Guess who shows up? The turkeys and Caddy. Caddy grabs a big mouthful of it and walks off, like, and they're all talking about, oh my God, what did she put in here? What did the woman put in? What did the woman put in? New food, new food. And they're trying to eat this hay, and then Caddy spits out his bite that he carried off, like, this stuff's dry. I don't want this stuff, it's dry. Silly birds. I think they like the new arrangement. Do a nice little dirt bath. Oh. Wow, that was rude. And he just takes the dirt bath. Poor Pillar. You're supposed to respect your woman. He's like, come at me, bruh. She's like, can I come back now? Oh, baby girl. I know. Those are my chickens. Leave it. Whoa. Sorry for the view right now. Hi, babies. So Oakley's over here trying to see the chickens. And they don't know about this, man. Dude. Oh, look, this isn't a good idea. And I came over here and then you leave. Hey, Buffy. Hey, baby girls. Versus is like, you better not. Hey, baby girls. You ate all those vines? Y'all want out. But not with that doggo. Yeah, not with that doggo. Come on, Oakley. Come on, Oakley. Out. Yeah, I'll think about it. I'm gonna get her donut off. She's healed up really good. I just, as soon as I get the donut off, I'm like, gonna be so sad. And she just opens her sores again, makes new sores. She's not having sores right now. She's growing her fur back. So I'm gonna take the donut off. Maybe it won't annoy him as much. Like, he's getting super agitated seeing her, but I think part of it is the donut. It's so big and bright. And he's supposed to be the big and bright one, right? Besides, she's black and white and matches the other rooster. You don't like those other roosters. Oakley, leave them alone. Oakley, shh. I know, they're ignoring you. They're ignoring you. He's like, why won't they be my friends? She's silly. I'm just gonna go confuse the turkey some more. Oh. So I've been scared to go get my eggs out of the coop because he did attack me. The coop's not holding together very well, like it's coming apart as time goes on. The back is like got some wide open spots, which hopefully we got some pieces. Hopefully he can try and put it back together sometime. Don't have any wood or anything though. Hi babies. Yeah, there's a dog out here. Alright, let's go. Back. I'm gonna move the chair a little bit. Oakley, leave it. Oh, you are fine. Leave that little bird alone. She's like, I just want to say hi and sniff you. It's a good day of dirt bathing. You went and got yourself stuck? Well, lay down then. Okay, I'm coming. You weren't even that stuck, babe. I'm trying to watch these birdies. No. Looks like Daddy's coming home for lunch. Sit down. She was coming up and leaning on me and laying her head in my lap. No. No. You can lay down, baby. Don't you be mean to Pillar. She was there first. No. this side, you don't see that it's broken. This side and the other side is all split off into pieces. Still works. Would you stop pecking at the birds? Being a mean turkey, you're supposed to protect them. Look at two. It's my baby birds. No. Oakley, leave it. Leave it. They don't want to be your friends yet. Yeah. It's crazy because it feels so much cooler out here now than I'm used to, right? Then I go and look at the temperature, it's still in the 90s. It's just low 90s instead of over 100. Oakley, you're not winning them over by whining at their door. Turkey, stop pecking at them. It's mean. Go lay down. A lot of birds are being loud too. Yesterday we had a chicken hawk flying over him when I was out here. And I was like, well, I guess I'm not going to let my chickens out. And chickens weren't happy about that, but I was out here and Puppy was out here and I was like, Puppy, bark at that chicken hawk. No, ma'am. Yeah, this is the new great dirt bathing spot. I love it. Turkey is confused. Yeah, babies, you're gonna come eat. She's like, the turkey's right there. I just want to go smell his nose. That's not how this works. Oh, here we have it. It's a nice chill day. Laying down, eating in the shade for the turkey. And they're using their nice new dirt bath, and I'm gonna have to say peace, love, and birdies, y'all. I gotta get this dog before she pushes the door out. No. Yeah, I hope y'all having great days. Have a great weekend. It was a great weekend. This is Monday. Ugh. Hope you had a great weekend. Peace, love, and birdies. Yeah. So, thanks. Say peace out.